Incremental greetings. Today I'm going to share with you something kind of private, but I do it for the sake of sending the message. So I'm compromising my privacy for a reason. So the other day, actually last month, my girlfriend recorded me while I was doing incremental reading in this position. Yes, I know, it's a super awkward position, but it's because it was very late at night and I wanted to keep using Supermemo because I was in the mood. It's so pleasurable what I'm reading. I don't want to stop, right? But I was already nodding off that my body's saying time to sleep, but I didn't want to. Let's play the video. I don't know if you heard it. In the editing, I will increase the volume. So I started snoring, more or less. I was just out. But it's interesting because it's temporary. And after a few seconds, it's, oh, shoot. I not off for a few seconds, but I recover consciousness. Because it's so high lentropy that, I don't know if it's related. I don't know the physiology specifically. I'm not the expert. But this is the anecdotal evidence. I wake up again. Oh yeah, sorry. I fell asleep. I continue reading, and eventually, boom, again. Rinse and repeat for a while until you know what, this is not working, and let's just go to sleep. But that is the message that I want to send. That once you reach a point that, thanks to Supermemo and priorities with Supermemo, and some novelty, that you discover something and this related, now makes sense. It's related to this I already know, this I wanted to discover. It's, oh wow, the haha moment, the eureka moment. You reach the point that I don't want to stop. I don't want to wait until tomorrow. But the physiology has a limit. And it's funny because usually, if it was dreadful, I will just nod off, and sleep 4 hours or so. Or take an unwanted nap, let's say. But here, after a few seconds, my brain reconnects. And I did this, I don't know how long. Long enough for my girlfriend to notice and to record me without me knowing, by the way. So yeah, sadly there's a limit. Even if it's high entropy, super crazy high, after so many hours, eventually you will fall asleep anyways. I would like to know if someone else experienced this, because it's just an anecdotal evidence. Let me know if you experienced that, and if you have read already some science behind this. It will be kind of interesting for me to, and I think for many other people, to know more about that. And this is how you know how the heck I achieved those numbers in a Sunday or a Saturday. Yeah, because I spend all day doing Supermemo, all of the day that I can, until very late at night. Make memory a choice, but more important than that, make learning pleasurable. Nothing more to add today, and see you incrementally.